Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Fish is one of the best foods you can eat. They are one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, as well as many other nutrients most people don't get enough of. Eating fish has been proven to increase gray matter in the brain, preventing age-related deterioration. It has also been proven, in some cases, to ease depression. The omega-3 fatty acids not only make the brain healthier, but they also improve the effectiveness of antidepressants. Fish are also a great protein source, one of the most important nutrients many people do not get enough of day to day. Described here are the top 15 healthiest fish to eat, as proven by scientific research. One. Catfish. Catfish is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve brain health, prevent heart disease, and protect your eyesight, as well as many other health benefits. It also has selenium, which increases metabolism. Avoid catfish from overseas. Make sure your catfish is American. 2. Oscitra. Also known as sturgeon caviar, is packed with vitamins and minerals. Per 1 ounce, you get 93% your daily recommended value of B12, which is essential for nerve health and also provides energy. It also has vitamins A and E, as well as B6, riboflavin, thiamine, and many others. 3. Tuna. Tuna is another fish with very high omega-3 content, which makes it great for heart health. Tuna is also packed with protein. In a single serving, you get about 80% your daily value of protein. Avoid it canned, though. Canning reduces vitamin content, as well as changing the texture and taste of the fish. 4. Rockfish. Rockfish is another great protein source, with about 33 grams of protein per serving. Rockfish is also a great low-calorie option, as it is only about 160 calories per serving. These two facts together mean that it will certainly make you feel full without being full of calories. 5. Flounder. Flounder is a member of the flatfish family, which are all both low-fat and low-calorie. They are also very low-fat and packed with vitamins, making this one of the healthiest fish to eat. 6. Salmon. When considering what the best fish to eat is, definitely consider salmon. They are rich in healthy fatty acids, protein, and vitamins. It is important to look for a wild-caught salmon as opposed to farmed. The farmed variety is less nutritious. 7. Sable fish. Sable fish is the family of fish commonly known as cod. It is full of vitamins and essential fatty acids, but is extremely oily. It is still a great source of vitamins, but you may want to consider your tolerance for oily foods when considering this as one of the best fish for you. 8. Sardines. When going to buy fresh seafood, sardines can be harder to find. They are, however, one of the healthiest types of fish. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12, which promotes energy and overall health. 9. Trout. If trout is your fish of choice, it is recommended to be consumed every other week to promote heart health. It is full of omega-3, and is considered a great alternative to red meat. Freshwater variety is best in the case of trout. 10. Crayfish. Crayfish make a great healthy snack. A serving contains only 70 calories, 14 grams of protein, and is low in cholesterol, as well as having all the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. As with catfish, make sure your crayfish are from America. 11. Crab. Fresh crab is rich in nutrients and protein, and is a great low-calorie food. It is also very easy to find, but stay away from canned or artificial crab. It can be very high in sodium, too much of which causes water weight gain, and is not good for cardiovascular health. 12. Scallops. Scallops are another great high-protein, low-calorie fish. One serving of scallops, about 3 ounces, contains only about 9,100 calories and 20 grams of fat. 13. Mussels. Mussels are rich in iron, which is needed to prevent anemia and promote high energy, and zinc, which promotes immune health. They are also a convenient meal, as they only take 3 minutes to fully cook. 14. Arctic char. This fish is a relative of trout, one of the best fish to eat, as well as one of the healthiest types of fish in the world. It has all the same health benefits, but in this case, look for the farmed variety. The waters the wild variety of this fish come from are not too clean. 15. Longfin squid. Longfin squid are one of the best fish to eat. They are rich in omega-3 and vitamin B12, both essential in promoting overall health and preventing mental illnesses like depression. Low in calories and containing no carbohydrates, as long as they are not deep-fried, longfin squid are one of the healthiest fish to eat.